Mastering modals. How to use can in passive voice. Hello there, language enthusiasts. Today, we're delving into the depths of English grammar and focusing on a very specific yet important topic: using can in passive voice. By the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently form sentences using this particular structure and expand your English fluency. So, let's dive right in. Before we proceed, let's do a quick refresher on what passive voice is. Passive voice is when the subject of the sentence is acted upon by the verb. For example, the book was read by me. Here, the book subject was acted upon by the verb read. Now, onto the modals. A modal verb is a type of auxiliary, helping, verb that is used to express possibility, ability, permission, or obligation. Can is a modal verb that often signifies ability or possibility. When it comes to using can in passive voice, the structure typically goes like this: subject plus can plus be plus past participle of the verb. Let's break this down. Subject. This is what the sentence is about. Can. This is the modal verb we're focusing on. Be. This is the auxiliary verb we need for the passive voice. Past participle of the verb. This is the main action in the sentence. Here's an example to illustrate this. The song can be sung by anyone. Here, the song is the subject, can is the modal verb, be is the auxiliary verb, and sung is the past participle of the verb to sing. Understanding is best solidified with practice, so let's go through a few more examples. This meal can be prepared in 10 minutes. The mystery can be solved by the detective. The work can be finished before noon. Each of these examples follows the structure we discussed. Subject plus can plus be plus past participle of the verb. Keep practicing this structure to gain more confidence. There you have it, folks. That's how you use can in passive voice in English. Keep practicing this structure, and you'll master it in no time. As always, it's been a pleasure helping you expand your English knowledge. Remember, practice makes perfect. See you in the next video.